Hello again. In this part, we will talk about salivary gland histology or histology of salivary gland. Um, Before we move on, we would like to know what is the function of salivary glands. So, salivary glands moisten the oral cavity, moisten dry food to aid swallowing, dissolve food materials to stimulate taste buds. It's also buffer the contents of oral cavity by high concentration of bicarbonate ions and aid in digest carbohydrate by amylase enzyme. Salivary glands are divided into two groups. We have major salivary glands, and there are three in pairs, and we have minor salivary glands. Major salivary glands, these are two pairs of parotid gland, two pairs of submandibular gland, and two pairs of sublingual gland. Minor salivary glands are located in some mucosa of different parts of oral cavity, like lingual glands, which are found in the tongue, labial glands is found in the upper and lower lip, buccal gland, which is found in the inner surface of the cheeks, mural glands, which is found in the gums, and palatine glands, found in the hard and soft palate. Let us talk about the secretory acini. Secretory acini of salivary glands are organized into lobules. Major salivary glands are surrounded by capsules of dense connective tissue, and this capsule of dense connective tissue, which make a septa, divide the salivary gland into secretory portions of the glands into loops and lobules. And this septa contain large blood vessels and excretory duct. On the other hand, minor salivary glands do not have a capsule. But most importantly, and the good things about salivary gland here, they contain numerous lymphocyte and plasma cells. This found in the tissue surrounding the acini in both major and minor salivary glands. And these lymphocyte and plasma cells have their significant role in secretion of salivary antibodies. Acini of salivary glands are three in types: serous acini, mucous acini, and mixed. The basic secretory unit of salivary gland are called salivum, and it consists of acinus, intercalated duct, and excretory duct. The acinus is a blind sac composed of secretory cells. The acini of salivary gland contain either serous, protein secreting cells, or mucous cells, usually contain mucin secreting cells, or both. The serous protein secreting cells, these cells have a pyramidal shape with a wide relatively base surface facing to the basal lamina and a small apical face facing to the lumen of the acini. Because of the protein secreting cells is contains large amount of endoplasmic reticulum, free ribosomes, and pyramidal and permanent Golgi apparatus and secretory granules. This is a protein secreting cells or secretory acini. On the other hand, the mucous cells is contained myoepithelial cells, which found mainly in the mucous secreting cells, and contain mucin that have when contract squeezing the secretion of acini into the lumen of the duct. As you can see here, this is the serous acini, mainly parotid gland, the serous acini, purely 100%. This is an H&E using and hematoxylin stain of serous acini found in the parotid gland. And this here, this is a mixed submandibular. It's mainly serous with a few mucus. Serous acini with a few mucus, staining of submandibular gland. And here is sublingual gland. It is a mucous acini mixed also with a cup of serous acini above the mucus secreting cells is called serous limelion. Is a mixed submandibular sublingual gland.